McDonald's announced a huge change to their Happy Meal and people are not happy about it. This change is pretty much the equivalent of the Cheesecake Factory suddenly not serving cheesecake anymore. I'm gonna tell you what it is here for you on IO. What is good? This is InformOverload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte, and smash the thumbs up and subscribe for all your trending news. Before I get into this video, tell me in those comments what you order from McDonald's. McDonald's is hearing the angry cry of the internet after they announced that they would be removing cheeseburgers and chocolate milk from their Happy Meal menu. So why is McDonald's changing their Happy Meals? Well, they say that it's in an effort to promote healthier eating. According to McD's head of global nutrition, the decision was a gentle nudge in encouraging more positive choices. So a lot of people are angry about this because they don't believe that McDonald's should tell them how to feed their kids. I mean, lots of parents go to McDonald's just once in a while. Plus, if people really wanted to take their kids somewhere to have a healthy meal, why would they take them to McDonald's? McDonald's has been the staple of unhealthy eating for a few decades now.
Kids, I'm really feeling like we should go somewhere healthy for dinner tonight. Oh, I know, let's go to McDonald's,
said no one ever. Then there's also the issue of nostalgia. Getting a McDonald's cheeseburger Happy Meal solved so many of life's problems when you were a kid. Your entire world could be falling apart, but if mom took you to McDonald's for a cheeseburger, it all seemed not so bad. Still though, McDonald's is trying to shed their reputation of being the world's favorite calorie castle. They are making a conscious effort to try and reduce the amount of artificial ingredients and preservatives that go into their food. This change has made half of their Happy Meal menu items under 600 calories. They also do plan to bring back chocolate milk once there's less added sugar in it. But the good news is, if you are a cheeseburger fan like myself, you can still order it. You just can't order it in a Happy Meal and get a toy, which is like, oh damn it, I love toys! So guys, how do you feel about this change? Let me know, but while you do that, I'm gonna respond to some comments. TMR Media said, I learn more from IO than I do from school. This makes no sense, so I scream at a potato. I just have this image of you like just yelling at a potato. Don't hurt the potato's ears. David Yanez said, why did the potato go to France? He wanted to become a French fry. Good one. Crozo said, love is real when you watch IO. Oh, I'm glad we make you believe in love. At least there's that, right? Guys, the video is over. If you want to keep watching, there's another great one over here. A woman is suing Starbucks after she was served a Frappuccino with blood in it. Click it to find out more. As always, make sure notifications are turned on so you never miss a video. See ya!